This small batch eggplant and zucchini agrodolce recipe with pine nuts, golden raisins, and a handful of mint is incredible as a light lunch with burrata or prosciutto. But it's equally delicious stirred through pasta next to some grilled pork chops, lamb, fish, or even baked eggs as a frittata. Let's get started. We're going to slice some onion, then we're going to do a rough chop on some zucchini. Next, let's slice some eggplant. I love adding eggplant to this sweet and sour sauce with Italian origins. First, we're going to saute some onions in some hot oil until they're soft. Go big on the garlic. I like to add almost 3 cloves of chopped garlic to my agrodolce sauce. Add the zucchini and eggplant, a splash of oil, and some salt. Cover and cook. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients, some pine nuts and some zest and lemon juice and raisins and a handful of mint. Give it a splash of rice vinegar, and now we're ready to serve it up. I like to serve this alongside some mozzarella and prosciutto. Oh, this is so good, and it comes together really quickly. Give it a try, and please subscribe to my channel.